All right, today take a look at the adhesive cable organizer clips. So it comes with 3 of them, which is nice. So if we only need 1 for right now, you just take the other 2 and put them back in the Ziploc bag. Each one holds 3 cables, and we can see we can put a nice thick cable in there. These do feel very nice, fairly squishy. It's actually a very soft cable clip compared to the ones I've used before. Normally they feel pretty hard and kind of like almost plasticky, but this one feels more like a high quality rubber. It does have 3M PE foam on the bottom, so that's really good. This is really good stuff. If you want something that's actually going to stick, this is what you want to use. And so what this is good for is if you got a laptop stand or something like this where you're always going to have cables that are going to be plugging into it, you just take this and stick it right there. Oh yeah, that's already holding on really well. And then we can attach our cable to it. And then we'll always have that there. So anytime we go to drop our laptop on, we don't have to worry about finding this thing. It's not going to be dangling somewhere else on the desk. It's always going to be right here. So that is awesome. These things are fantastic for that. Pretty cool. So yeah, overall, that is a very nice set.